Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Uh, I'm back with another repair video to make. We might have a problem with my overhead camera, which I'm using, connecting my overhead camera to the PC using my Wi-Fi connection. Anyway, I have a nice laptop that I've got last week. I thought let me make the video to repair it. I've been poking around with this motherboard for a while now. It's a ASUS laptop with X51 something. It's an i7 CPU inside, 10th gen or 8th gen with 32 GB. Or no, I'm not sure the specs. Let's fix a laptop. It's a nice laptop motherboard. I think a decent one. i7 10th or 8th gen CPU inside. I think 10th gen. Anyway, the problem with this laptop is it's completely dead. You guys can see the what you call it, the power supply there on the corner. I will connect this motherboard to my power supply. Okay, now I do have the charger for it, but for certain reason I don't know why when I plug my power supply I get no voltage on the board. Have a look on my multi-plug. On the current sensor you can see there is no voltage, but if I change that, so I can't use the bench power supply because maybe the port is not right. It is possible it's a wrong size, but as I put this in, as I put that in, then I do get voltage across the board, right? But for certain reason we can't, when you try to switch the laptop on, it doesn't come on. What I will do, I'm going to check all the coils and see what is the reading of the voltage. Okay, and then we will see if we can find the problem. 0.22 volt, 0 volt, 0 volt, 0 volt, 0 volt, 0 volt, I mean 0.6 volt. Okay, those coils are not giving actually any idea. It is possible because the laptop is on, it's off state, so those coil will only have voltage when you switch on the laptop. Possible. Okay, let's check for short, if we have any short anyway. I'm on beeping mode, right? This one is good. That's ground. It's possible to be okay because it's CPU side, so CPU side 5 ohms is not, I cannot say it's short. I think that is a right 6 ohms. It's not dead short, so CPU's line, CPU's coil should have very low resistance or ohms, not no short. 48 is also, I think it's good. 60 is also should be good. Oh well. Oh well. Check there. Check there. 0 ohms. It's a dead short to ground. Wow. Okay. There is definitely short on this. It's possibly 5 volt rail. Possibly. Let me put some voltage in on say 1 volt. 1.9, too much. 1 volt, and check in my power supply. It goes straight to 0. The voltage goes 0 and it's taking full 2 amp. But let me use my thermal camera Cat 64 with, maybe we can find out. Can't see. Okay. This is the place where I get the shot. It's taking 2 amp. There is cold. It's not hot. What is that? Check there, guys. You can't see. Guys can't see. Can you guys see now? Next to the hole. Still taking 2 amp. So it's somewhere around here. Let's one more time. Yeah, I can see a hole and then the heat spot. Let's use some alcohol and then we see from there. Okay. I don't have the microscope. For certain reason my microscope stopped working. Let me use my overhead cam to see if we can find the shot. Okay. I don't know what is going on. You still can't see, guys. I am not. I need the microscope. Hold on, let me try to get the microscope work. All right, I got the microscope working. Look at my on top of my screen. Let's put some voltage. Inject some voltage. Okay, everything is good. Oh, let's spray some alcohol. That is the area that the heat is. The phone was showing me the heat. Nothing happens. I don't see anything. Okay, hold on. You know what? I'm going to take a leap of faith. I'm going to remove this capacitor here, cause doesn't looks that good to me. Okay, let's take the capacitor out. If the chip is dead, I do have schematics of this schematics and the board view file of this motherboard. I think I can get the details on this chip, and yeah, I think I will be able to order it from AliExpress. But like I said, if I have to order this, that's 3 to 4 weeks waiting period. Let's fingers crossed. I hope that capacitor is dead short. Okay. And the capacitor is out. Replacing the capacitor. You guys think I should do it? Like Mr. Sorin said, no capacitor, no shorted capacitor. but I don't know if I should leave it like that, cause I've been poking around with this board with the schematic and everything. That is the USB controller chip for this USB-C here. You see, guys? So if it was a normal USB, I would have think to left it, but it's a type C. Now type C carries a lot of current and a lot of voltage. Higher voltage, higher current. So I'm not comfortable not replacing that capacitor. The reason is maybe the capacitor controls or keeps inrush current or current spike in control, you see. So it's kind of I think it's kind of protecting for any mishaps. So I did check on the schematics. Let me show you guys. I mean board view. Yeah, I will show you guys on the board view. It's a 10 ohm 10 volt capacitor. Let me show you guys. There is our board view. Right, I think it's here. Look, this is the chip that we got it on the, yeah, that's the chip. See, it's next to the USB-C and the power port. You see, that is our power jack, and the USB-C is somewhere here, and then this chip. The chip is written USB controller SN150704R VCR. That's the chip details. When I checked with it, it's a TPS chip. So yeah, which I can find if I need to replace. But I want to see if this, what is the value on this. You guys can see. No, you guys can't see. Let me show you guys. You can see now it's a 10 microfarad 10 volt capacitor. Okay. Oh, we didn't even check if the short is gone, guys. Let's see if we still have short. No short, no short, no short, guys. No short. This one is normal. This one is okay. No short. So for safety, I will replace the capacitor because I don't know if it's gonna cause a problem or not. I'm not that experienced to understand whether I can just leave that capacitor. Okay, I don't have a, I mean, I do have 10 ohm capacitor somewhere, but I couldn't find. But all I find was a 13 ohm capacitor, so I kept it on the board for you guys. I think it's this capacitor here. Right, let me quickly measure it for us. Look at my multimeter. Yeah, it's about 13 ohm, 13.2. So I did have a research on Google and stuff. 13 ohm should be okay. Most people say it mustn't be below 10 ohm if the ratings on the schematic is 10 ohm 10 volt. So voltage can be higher, not below, and the microfarad, the the microfarad mustn't be lower than what is stated. So I have a 13 this capacitor is 13 microfarad, so it technically it should be good. So let's remove that capacitor and replace it. The capacitor is out. Check, they are similar size. You guys can see. Let's see if no, 14, 13 microfarad. This one looks better. Let's clean it. Okay. It's okay. It will work. Let's go through the coils again. No short, no. It's okay. Same reading. Okay. But they are now. Yeah, no short. Yeah. Okay, let's plug the charger in, and I will hope that it doesn't kaboom anything. Charger is in. Let me check quickly. Okay, 19 volts, 12.63. Okay, this probably is the battery charging section. 1 volt, 1.2 volt, 3.3 volt, 5.1 volt. This is 0 volt. This coil probably will come on when the laptop is on, and here we have 5 volt on the USB-C port. Guys, did we fixed it? Only one way to find out. Give me a few moments. I'm going to put this board back into the laptop and then we'll test it together, okay? I'll be back in a bit. Okay guys, I did put the keyboard only. I connect the keyboard and the mouse pad to the motherboard. Let's plug in the charger and see what happens. I hope there is no popping sound comes on. Oh, look at it. Orange light is on. Can you guys see? Desk is too small. Hold on. I will show you guys. There is the orange light is on. Let's see what happens when I press power button on. Oh, we have picture. Wow. Fan came on and it's showing me here also the fan is running on 2000 RPM. The laptop is alive. 0% primary battery is showing me it's charging, but the battery is null. So that's another problem. I'm going to stop this video now. I'm really happy that I could help the customer. As usual guys, like and subscribe my video, which helps the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, ciao.